Hey, Wonder Friends, welcome back to Wonderville Studios
What's up?
in the relaunch of our Father Sunday. Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Whoosh. We probably should come up with a better.
Yeah.
That wasn't so cool. But
Yeah.
so to celebrate the return of our Father Sunday, we decided that we're going to do a drawing with your first letter of your name.
Which is L.
Well, they're going to see it this way. But the real way to see it is if you know that your left hand makes an L. But they're going to see it this way. So the L. And we decided that we're going to do a lizard. And did we officially decide, are you going to copy me or do your own?
We're going to do our own.
All right, we're going to do our own. We're going to a competition.
Yeah.
Right? So we'll do a little competition together. Logan's going to do his version of a lizard. I'm going to do my version of a lizard. You guys can follow along with your paper, markers, all that stuff like that. You can draw Logan's version. You can draw my version. You can draw your own version. And if we go too fast, all you got to do is pause the video, rewind it.
Yeah.
Watch it super slow-mo.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And we'll be chilling here waiting for you to catch up with us. All right, guys, welcome back. We're ready to do the lizard.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's going to be
Dad's over here, so when you go to vote, make sure you vote for the right side.
Yeah, the right side is this one.
No, dude, come on, seriously? Dad's going to win.
No,
all right?
No.
So drawing a lizard is, Logan was talking about could be tough, right?
Mm-hmm.
But really, does it really matter? Like,
no.
A lizard, there's a lot of lizards out there. You can make up, right, you can make up a lizard. One of the ways, that's a good point, Logan. One of the ways that a lot of times when I start drawing stuff that if I'm struggling with things is I will just come up with a creature that's close, like an alligator, right?
Yeah.
So we're going to have a lot of fun drawing a lizard. You can watch along with this. You can get a piece of paper out and draw along with us. Again, if you want to copy Logan's or copy mine, you can always pause it, rewind it, all that stuff like that. We're not going to bail on you. We're going to be here all the way to the end. And this is just for fun.
Yeah, it is.
Just being creative and having fun. So, guys, with no further ado, let's draw us a lizard. Yeah. So, let's see, lizard, I like to draw two little things here. You can do McDonald's M's, right? And then a little whoop, kind of swoopy swoop. And, I'm all about drawing stuff with huge smiles and stuff like that. So there, and then kind of. See, mine already doesn't look like a lizard. It's mine's kind of like a horse creature thing. But you know how I can quickly make it look like a lizard?
With farts.
I just give it with farts, with a squiggly tail, and then some that. Ta-da! I just turned him into a lizard.
No.
Do lizards have teeth?
I think.
Do you think they have they don't have big dragon teeth, right?
Some do.
I'm just gonna give them little tiny, and then little tiny over, and then I'm gonna make a tongue that sticks out he's yeah, because he's saying lizard. I say not a cat. Okay.
And then he got scales everywhere. Scales. Sort of looks like a giraffe now.
Dude, mine does not look like a lizard at all. At least not a lizard I've ever seen. Which is fine. I mean, like I said, what does it matter, right? I'm gonna put some spots on mine. Right?
Okay. And then I gotta give it arms because
the lizards have nose holes?
I think.
They got it, right?
Iguanas do.
Right, they got but they're small, they're little so you could smell. I'm gonna do little smell things he's yeah, it smells good. Logan smells good. He's smelling these markers and he's these markers, they don't smell good. Some people like Sharpies. I like Sharpies. All right, and then draw that.
Godzilla.
Right. So my lizard, he's just he's excited, and apparently he's got hind feet on his belly that he can walk on, right? See? Like, he doesn't have him back here by his butt like a lizard would. Like, he's got him on his belly. So they grow out of his belly.
Mine is so cool that its butt is on his head. And there's just a like gigantic fart cloud coming out of it.
Right.
And then
your lizard looks a little angry. Maybe it's because he's got all those bumps all over him.
those are called scales.
Oh, scales. So.
And also you got the angry eyebrows.
Right. So I had a lot of fun doing this. Oh, we gotta sign our name. So make sure that you always sign your name because you want everybody to know who did it, right? And the date's kind of important too. The only problem is I don't know what the date is. Let's just put 2018. Let's just say put 2018.
2018.
Right. And yeah, so let's color that in there. I'm gonna color that in there. And then I'm gonna do it just so we know. I'm gonna put an L right here, so I know forever that this was what that I'm the loser. I'm pretty sure people are gonna vote for me, man. I don't know. So guys, I had a lot of fun making this. Right, even though maybe it doesn't look like what you pictured in your head or whatever. It was just about having fun. Like, look, I mean, like, but here's the cool part. Before this piece of paper was blank.
Yeah.
Right? And you got these markers, and they're like inside of each marker, they're magic markers. Have you heard anybody call them that? That's because inside of each marker there lives a ton of creatures. And until Logan put his pen on that paper, this animal, this lumpy, bumpy lizard with a toot head didn't exist. And that is what's really cool about doing creative things is that you get to make things up, and it doesn't really matter what it is, right?
Yeah.
Right? It's just really, it's just fun. So, yeah, guys, feel free to draw along. I hope that maybe you drew your own version of a lizard. Maybe your lizard has more bumps than his. But the most important thing is to make sure that you vote for the competition and vote for Dad, because Dad's is this one. You want to vote for this one, right?
No.
Right? So, anyway, guys, had a lot of fun. First Father's Sunday.
Yeah. We're like
back in the books.
Yeah.
We're back and better than ever.
Yeah.
So it's just really about showing up, having a good time, having fun in life, smiling, and enjoying yourself. What do you say? You got anything else to say? He's full of words. All right. So, guys, we'll see you. Make sure that if you can, have Mom and Dad take a picture of your art. Tag us on Instagram. We're at Wonderville Studios. You can find us on Facebook, to Twitter, all this stuff. We're all over the place. We would love to see your drawings, your versions. Maybe we inspired you to come up with your own creature. So until we see you next time, be the weird
you want to see in the world.
That's right. See ya. Yes, yes, yes. We did it. Yes. Hey, Wonder Friends. Thanks for drawing with us. Hope you liked this video. And if you did, be sure to hit that subscribe button. We upload new videos all the time. Now, with the help of your parents, we'd love to see your drawings. So make sure you have them uploaded to Facebook or Twitter. They can find us at Wonderville Studios. We would love to see what your drawings and your creativity and your uniqueness come to life. And until we see you, be nice and inspire others. See ya!